Hi everyone, welcome back to Ash's Kitchen. Today we are making a super simple but incredibly flavorful dish, crispy onion toasted noodles. It's rich, aromatic, slightly spicy, and extremely easy to make at home. Let's start with the prep. Cut half an onion into small pieces. If you like heat, you can also slice some green chili peppers. Prepare some chopped scallions and mince the garlic on the side. Also prepare some ground Sichuan pepper and chili powder. Now let's make the sauce. 1.5 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 3 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon aged vinegar, 5 grams oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 2 teaspoons sugar, 150 milliliters water. Stir everything until well combined. Now let's cook the noodles. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add the noodles. Stir them lightly so they don't stick. Once cooked, remove and rinse under cold water. Then drain well. Now heat oil in the wok. Add the sliced onion and slowly cook them over low heat. Keep stirring until the edge turns lightly golden and fragrant. Then add in the scallions, garlic, and green chili peppers. Add the chili powder and Sichuan pepper powder as well. Stir everything over low heat until it becomes fully fragrant. Now pour in the prepared sauce. Let it simmer gently until slightly thickened. Then turn off the heat. Add the noodles back into the wok. You can also add some fresh cilantro. Finally, drizzle in half a tablespoon of sesame oil and mix everything well. And it's ready to serve. Let me try it first. Wow, this is insanely fragrant. Super simple, but the flavor is absolutely the next level. You should definitely try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.